Jared, Victoria's puppy is so cute. We should get a dog.
Okay, let's get a puppy.
No, I want to adopt an older Charger dog. Puppies are too much work, and older dogs deserve a good home.
Nah, puppies are better.
Jared, they chew on everything, and don't get me started with the housebreaking.
I don't want an older dog.
Can we at least go to the animal shelter to pet some dogs? They have puppies. Jared, this dog is so sweet and his housebroken. This dog is perfect.
Oh my gosh, did you see this little guy? This puppy is so cute. Ow, ow, ow! You're right, Dandy is perfect.